Preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks.
Alright guys, well, so far the first spot, water's in that 54 range, and so I think we might be able to find some close to 60-degree water by the end of the day. So what we're going to do is I'm going to run a few spots like we're hitting right now, little rock walls and transition banks, and then we'll probably go head down the lake and see what happens.
Talking that blackness, so kick you out the party, gnarly. Pardon me, pardon me, pardon me. I found myself hit the lottery. No need to make an apology. Can't take that credit, it's got to me. I broke the chains on the ship. I broke the chain of command. He broke the chains on my sin. Then put that chain on my neck. My lady told me I'm kind of fly. My daddy told me he gotta fly. Mama still call me her little guy. Grandma told me to go testify. Preach.
Preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend or the gang. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend or the gang.
Y'all know Craig gon' preach. Y'all know Zay on beat. Y'all know they gon' beat you. Y'all press play, repeat. East side, east side, east side. I used to stay on the east side. They used to play on the east side. Gucci done came from the east side. I got that light. I got that glow. Look at me shine. That's how you know. I don't need diamonds or jewelry. Your VVS is a blurry. Been through too much to be scurry. I'd rather pray you can worry. I got the law with me. Walk through the valley of death. Predators on every side. I'm in a war with the flesh. They wanna feast on my flesh. This is not merely a test. They tryna put me to rest. I let them deal with the mess. Preach.
Preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend or the gang. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend or the gang. Preach. Preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preacher,
River
preach.
fishing.
I got the Jesus peaks. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me.
At its finest.
Don't need the friend or the gang. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preacher, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. I got the God.
Said if I pull up here and get another one on this tree, I'd go ahead and tell you everything's probably gonna go up. Spinnerbait, Spinnerbait, two fish. Once again, it's the same kind of situation. You're on a trick or channel swing bank.
Kick you out the party, gnarly. Pardon me, pardon me, pardon me. I got myself with the lottery. No need to make an apology. Can't take that credit, it's gotta be. I broke the chains on the ship. I broke the chain of command.
There it is.
He broke the chains on my sin.
Have a good one, guys.
My lady told me I'm kind of fly. My daddy told me he gotta fly. Mama still told me to go. Grandma told me to go testify.
Preach, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. Preach, preach. I got the Jesus peaks. I got the God. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord. Don't need the friend or the gang. Preach, preach. I got the Jesus peaks.
Just gonna throw this out here. This is my favorite kind of fishing. But love jerk baits. Love East Tennessee smallmouth. Give me a spinnerbait and a flipping stick. I can go fishing.
East side, east side, east side. I used to stay on the east side. They used to play on the east side. Gucci done came from the east side. I got that light. I got that glow. Look at me shine. That's how you know. I don't need diamonds or jewelry. Your VVS is a blurry. Been through too much to be scurry. I'd rather pray you could worry. I got the law with you.
Changed up. change from the Bandito bug. Not that it wouldn't work, I don't think that it does work, but I think these fish are feeding on crawfish. And I don't have a Bandito bug in crawfish color. But, so, I just went to the structure bug. That one. Do it, dude!
Preach, I got the Jesus peace. Preach, preach, I got the Jesus peace. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend of the game. Preach, I got the Jesus peace. Preach, I got the Jesus peace. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend of the game. Preach, don't have a church but I reach. I heal the blind with a speech. They hit the beach for a piece. I brought my piece to the beach. Got some.
Oh,
they want that hill and I got some. They want that realness, it cost some. Cost me, penny bands, they try to block me. Told me, stop talking that blackness, so kick you out the party. Nah, pardon me. I found myself hit the left. No need to make an apology. Can't take that credit, it's got me. I broke the chains on the shit. I broke the chain on the man. He broke the chains on the set. They put that chain on my neck. My lady told me I'm proud of that. My daddy told me he got a flat. Mama still call me her little guy. Grandma told me to go testify.
Switch over to that, to a swim jig. At least have one rigged up.
Preach, I got the Jesus peace. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend or the gang. Preach, I got the Jesus peace. Preach, I got the Jesus peace. I got the God in me. Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the Lord with me. Don't need the friend or the gang. Y'all know Craig gon' preach. Y'all know Zay on beat. Y'all know they gon' beat. Y'all press play, repeat. East side. I used to stay on the east side. Zay used to play on the east side. Gucci done came from the east side. I got that light. I got that glow. Look at me shine. That's how you know. I don't need diamonds or jewelry. Your VVS is a blur.
Yes! Straight toad. Dad, oh my word, that is a toad. Oh. Just told you guys. I needed to switch over to that swim jig. They want that hill and I got some. They want that realness, it cost some. Cost me penny bands, they try to block me. Told me stop talking that blackness, so kick you out the party. Gnarly. Pardon me. I found myself hit the lottery. No need to make an apology. Can't take that credit, it's got to me. I broke the chains on the ship. I broke the chain of command. He broke the chains on my sin. Alright guys, well, we're fixing to wrap everything up. It's around 3:30, 3:45. I'm real quickly going to run through what we used today. Man, it started out really good on a white spinnerbait, double Colorado blades. And really I thought that was going to be what was up. And so we fished with that and then caught 3 nice ones real quick. And so then I transitioned, you know, I caught one on a Rage Craw this morning. And so I pulled out the big stick and I went with a bandito dug. Well, I wasn't getting any bites. And so I broke it off. And so I went back, same color as the Rage Craw, but the structure bug. I got this paired tungsten weight, Trokar hook. Awesome combo, 20-pound fluoro, and this is a big stick, and that's really what we did most of our damage on today, was that flipping stick. But then I had one chase that bait up, and it really got me to thinking. When one about 3 pounds chased the Rage Craw up, and I said, you know what? These fish are a little more active than I thought. So I said, well, I know what I ought to do. I'll take that Rage Craw and put it on a swim jig. Well, y'all saw the results of that. I mean, an absolute stud. And that's it. A little green pumpkin. Swim jig. Rage Craw on the back. And if you don't use a Rage Craw for a trailer, well, that is probably the best trailer. Chatterbaits, swim jigs, and even jigs. I use it all the time. So anyway, man, those are the deets we did today, man. I hope you really enjoyed it, especially watching that big one. That was fun. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we'll make sure we catch you later. Halfway decent day here on Cherokee Lake. I've only been here twice before and really didn't do all that well, but I'll count today as a success. So one of the things that I would really count to the success and being able to run the pattern is the Lake Master mapping for this lake. It is absolutely phenomenal. If you have hummingbirds, you need to get a Lake Master map, especially if you're in this area. A lot of the lakes that I fish, more towards Kingsport, Bristol area, they don't have a Lake Master card for those lakes, so I have to use the Navionic chip. But man, if you're able to, if your lake has Lake Master, definitely download it. It has helped me tremendously today, because when I noticed what I was catching them on, I could then, look on the map, find something very similar, pull up. If it had chunk rock and it had laydowns on it, I was good to go. Well, anyway, once again, guys, thanks for tuning in to Bass and Pastoral. We'll catch you later. Look forward to getting back out here again, man. It was a phenomenal day. Thanks for tuning in. Later.
Don't need the ice or the chain. I got the dog with me. Don't need a friend of the game. Preach.